Hey everybody, I am Sally Shuford, your hometown girl and realtor right here in beautiful Augusta, Georgia. Today I'm in the Summerville neighborhood. Summerville is where I grew up, so I do love to do a Summerville home. This home is on Meigs Street, right across the street from Hickman Park. So if there weren't trees in front of us, we would have a great view of downtown. This is a giant beauty of a home with 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a cottage, and over 6,000 square feet on the inside. There are architectural details out the yin yang, and I just can't wait to show them to you. Come on inside. And I'm gonna tell you, this is really what you call a rocking chair front porch with a view of a pretty little pond right here, providing nice trickling water sound. Before you get inside, you've already got so many things to enjoy, like the detailing of this beautiful old front door. Entering this home, you come into a grand foyer, 12-foot ceilings, I'm guessing, arched walkway, pocket doors to the left. This is living room, crown molding, and another sitting room to the right. This one has maybe the most ornate and beautifully designed mantelpiece I've ever seen. Sorry, you're just gonna have to see me in the mirror a little bit. Hand carved, most certainly original to the home. This is the other sitting room on the front of the home with period style decor, another fireplace, this is the dining room. Plantation shutters, grand scale, beautiful fireplace. And a gorgeous chandelier. This home has a mixture of dark and light cabinetry and hardwood floors. Just off the kitchen, you've got a sweet little breakfast room with charming built-ins. This would be a hide and seek dream come true. There are doors and places everywhere to go. When I walked into this room, I thought it was going to be a small space, and then I looked up and all I could think was, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. How beautiful. This is the landing at the top of the main stairs, and you can see the top of the window I showed you from the small office. Gorgeous pocket door. You've got this, it's like a hallway, lots and lots of storage. I won't count the closets on today's tour, but here you've got bedroom and bathroom, fireplace, bedroom and bathroom, also with a fireplace. A third upstairs bedroom with a fireplace and a bathroom. Here's a tiny little downstairs bedroom. I don't always include bathrooms in my video tours, but I can't resist one with a clawfoot tub. And finally, the owner's suite with a gorgeously ornate hand-carved mantle on the fireplace. Just off the owner's suite, you've got this light-filled dressing room and a connected bathroom with a clawfoot tub. A view of the large backyard, fully landscaped, and the cottage with the tile roof. Here's a view of the back of the home. It is just such an honor and a privilege to be allowed to tour homes like this and to share these with you. Stepping into this home is truly like stepping back in time. Although there are electronics in this home, I have spied one television and one tiny computer. Otherwise, it feels like we could be having lunch in a few minutes, a Sunday lunch, in maybe 1918 in this brand new home, which was, I think, was built in 1917. So thank you so much for watching another luxury home tour with me, Sally Shuford, your hometown girl and realtor. If you'd like to see this home or any other home on the market in the Augusta area, I'm happy to help you. Give me a call. Follow me on the socials at Your Hometown Girl. For more information, go to yourhometown.girl.com. Many thanks to listing agent Venus Morris Griffin for allowing me to share this beautiful home with you. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. You can also like my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.